Today, we have something truly special to share with you. We recently stumbled upon an incredibly rare coin.
How much money do you really have in your pocket? A $204,000 penny found by a teenager. A $10,000 coin found in a Cheerios box. And an $18,000 penny found by one of our viewers.
A $250 from 1986 with a lamination error. This particular coin has an intriguing story, and we'll be discussing its value and significance, as well as its auction history at heritage auctions. Now, before we discuss the value, let's take a closer look at this fascinating lamination error. Lamination errors occur during the minting process when a layer of metal fails to bond properly to the planchet, resulting in a visible flaw. In the case of this 1986 $250, you can see a distinct peeled portion near the edge, which is the result of a lamination issue. The 1986 $250 itself is already a desirable coin among collectors due to its low mintage and historical significance. This coin was minted to commemorate the 100th anniversary of the Statue of Liberty. But when you add a lamination error to the mix, it becomes even more sought after by numismatists. So, what's the value of this coin? In a recent heritage auction, a similar 1986 $250 with a lamination error was sold for an impressive sum of $500. 0DHIS showcases the high demand for these unique error coins among collectors. Now, it's important to note that the value of a coin can vary based on several factors, including its condition, rarity, and the overall demand in the market. The $250 1978 coin is a rare coin that was minted in the United States in the year 1978. The coin features the famous George Washington profile on its obverse side and the national emblem of an eagle on its reverse side. The coin was minted in two versions, one with a copper-nickel composition for circulation and another with a 40% silver composition that was sold exclusively to collectors. The $250 1978 coin in good condition is considered a rarity among coin collectors. Such coins are highly sought after by collectors and often command high prices at auctions. The Heritage Auction, one of the largest auction houses in the world, has recently sold a $250 1978 coin in good condition for a whopping $5,000. Now you might be wondering, what makes a $250 1978 coin in good condition so valuable? Well, it's simple. Coins that are in good condition, or what collectors call mint condition, are rare because they have been preserved well over time. These coins are free from scratches, dents, or any other damage that might have occurred due to wear and tear. Additionally, coins that were minted with a silver composition are even rarer because they were produced in limited quantities and were only sold to collectors. As a result, the value of a $250 1978 coin in good condition is significantly higher than its face value of 25 cents. The $250 1978 coin in good condition is a rare and valuable coin that is highly sought after by collectors. Its recent sale at the Heritage Auction for $5,000 is a testament to its rarity and value. If you have a $250 1978 coin in good condition in your collection, you might want to consider getting it appraised by a professional to know its true value. The 1984 $250 lamination error. Now, you might be wondering what a lamination error is. Essentially, it's a defect that occurs during the minting process where a layer of the coin's surface separates from the rest of the coin. This can create unique and valuable coins that are worth much more than their face value. And that's exactly what happened with some of the 1984 $250. Some of them have a lamination error that makes them incredibly valuable to collectors. But if you do find one, it can be worth a significant amount of money. In fact, some lamination error quarters have sold for thousands of dollars at auction. So, how do you know if your coin is valuable? You'll want to do some research online to see what similar coins have sold for. Websites like PCGS and NGC are great resources for determining coin value in this condition, $32,000. And there you have it. Quarter roll hunting for the 1984 quarter-dollar lamination era. It's a fun and exciting way to potentially make some extra money while also adding unique and valuable coins to your collection. As you can see, this coin has a unique error known as a lamination flaw. This happens when there is a thin strip of metal that separates from the surface of the coin during the minting process. This creates a unique and noticeable pattern on the surface of the coin. I've been collecting coins for over a decade, and I can tell you that the 1995DF quarter with a lamination error is one of the most sought-after coins in the market. These coins are rare and can fetch a high value in the right condition. In fact, in 2021, a 1995DF quarter with a lamination error sold for over $10,000 on eBay. Of course, the value of a coin is determined by many factors, including the condition of the coin, the rarity of the error, and the demand for the coin. If you are lucky enough to find one of these coins, it is important to get it graded by a reputable grading company. This will help you get an accurate value for the coin and protect it from damage. I have been collecting coins for many years, and the 1995DF quarter with a lamination error is definitely one of my favorites. It's not only valuable, but it's also a unique piece of history that tells a story about the minting process and the human errors that can happen. So, if you come across a 1995DF quarter with a lamination error, hold on to it tight. It's a rare and valuable piece of history that... Have you ever heard of quarter roll hunting? It's a popular hobby among coin collectors where they search through rolls of coins to find rare and valuable pieces. And today, we're going to talk about a specific quarter dollar that you might want to keep an eye out for, the 1965 lamination error coin. What exactly is a lamination error, you might ask? Well, it's when a layer of the coin's metal splits or peels away due to a problem during the minting process. In the case of the 1965 quarter, the lamination error, as you can see, the lamination error causes a noticeable mark on the coin, making it stand out from the rest. But why is this coin so special? Well, because of its rarity and value. According to the latest edition of the Red Book, a guidebook for United States coin collectors, the 1965 lamination error coin can be worth up to $400,000 in uncirculated condition. Even circulated versions of the coin can fetch a decent price. Do you have quarter dollar 1983 in your pocket? This is the quarter dollar 1983D lamination error coin, and we'll be discussing its value and significance in the coin collecting community. You might be wondering what makes this coin special. Well, it has a lamination error, which is a type of error that occurs during the minting process. In this case, there's a layer of the coin that has peeled off, leaving a raised and rough patch on the surface. The quarter dollar 1983D lamination error coin has been featured in several coin auctions, including the prestigious Heritage auctions. This particular coin was auctioned off in 2020, and it sold for an impressive $70,320. However, keep in mind that the value of coins can fluctuate based on several factors, such as condition, rarity, and market demand. There are plenty of resources out there, such as books, websites, and forums, that can help you expand your knowledge and connect with other collectors. Who knows, you might even stumble upon a gem like the quarter dollar 1983D lamination error coin. Thanks for tuning in.
So this is Washington quarter dollar 1932 less mint from Philadelphia Mint. Color shade coin value in this condition $9,100. This is 1932 S Washington quarter dollar from San Francisco Mint. Coin value in this condition $7,900. This is 1932 less mint mark quarter dollar 900% silver. Coin value in this condition $500. This is 1932 D quarter dollar color damage Coin value in this condition $600. This is 1932 as silver numismatic guarantee corporation coin value in this condition $97,000. This is 1932 D quarter dollar from Denver Mint coin value in this condition $4,300. This is silver quarter dollar 1932 D Mint coin value silver proof in this condition $76,000.